my name is Sean McCoy and I'm a game design student here at UAT. Today I will be talking about the 2045 initiative and full dive virtual reality. These are two slightly different concepts that can have a huge impact on each other, and today I will be exploring exactly what that means. The first steps to exploring this topic are the introductions. First of all, we will need quantum computing in order to pull this off successfully. These are different from normal computers because instead of working with ones and zeros, they can either be a 1, a 0, or both. These are not too far away, however we do not have any concrete prototypes in order to begin testing. The next part is about the 2045 initiative. This is a project that is attempting to transfer an entire human conscious into a robotic body or shell. This project will be running until 2045 and has already begun experimenting. Several other research facilities have also begun this type of research as well. In 2013, researchers at Harvard University have been able to hook themselves up to a computer interface along with a rat in order to control the rat's tail through remote human influence, called a BCI, or brain-computer interface. This means that we are able to send out the same types of waves that other brains can produce, which has huge implications for the future. In 2015, researchers at the University of California, Irvine were able to use this brain-computer interface in order to allow a paralyzed man to move his legs through his thoughts. By using some electric pulses and stimulation, he was able to control his thoughts to adapt to entirely new senses, and he essentially rewired his brain. Going back to 2013, some researchers at the University of Washington were able to control another human's movements, specifically in the hand. This was to become the first human-to-human BCI experiment. The two test subjects were in completely different places, and they used a wireless signal in order to have the other person type on a keyboard. A large amount of this research was partially based on pop culture, specifically movies like The Matrix popularized this idea of remote human control. This quickly became a large idea in games and movies alike. And by taking these fiction ideas, we are able to ground a base for what we want to land in once we begin our research. Now looking to the future, we could expect so many different things that it's impossible to keep track of them all. One application could be like the avatars in James Cameron's Avatar. What these avatars would be used for is impossible to determine, but the scientific community could make incredible use of these. Thank you all for your time.